Good day, everyone. Today we will introduce the game we build named RocketDodge Quest 2D, a real-time 2D arcade survival game built in C++ using the Raylib graphics library. It's not just an arcade game, though. It's a hybrid that blends fast-paced action with an embedded quiz system. Let's walk through how it's built and then how to actually play it.
Under the hood, the project is split into clean modules. Main.cpp initializes the window and kicks off the game loop. Game.cpp is the core. It handles rocket movement, obstacle spawning, collision detection, scoring, fuel and health management, and rendering. Question_bank.cpp stores the multiple choice questions used later in the run. And Leaderboard.cpp stores the multiple choice questions used later in the run, along with the player's name and the date they were achieved. Everything flows through a state machine with 4 states: title, playing, quiz chance, and game over.
When you launch the executable, you land on the title screen. Press Enter or Space to move to the main menu, where you choose your difficulty, easy, medium, or hard, using the arrow keys. This choice matters. It directly controls how fast obstacles move and how often they spawn. Easy is forgiving and great for warming up. Hard throws asteroids at you aggressively and demands quick reflexes.
Once you're in, you control your rocket with WASD or the arrow keys, moving freely in all directions while it wraps around the screen edges. Your job is simple to explain but hard to master. Survive as long as possible. Asteroids and floating space debris constantly spawn and drift toward you. Collide with one and you lose a life. Along the way, you'll run into 3 types of pickups: coins, which boost your score, fuel canisters, which refill your thruster's fuel bar so you can keep maneuvering, and health pickups, which restore lost lives up to your max. Managing all 3 at once, dodging hazards, while chasing resources is really the core tension of the game.
Here's what makes this game genuinely different from a typical arcade title: the second chance mechanic. The very first time you lose all your lives in a run, the game doesn't end immediately. It pauses and throws a multiple choice question at you, covering general knowledge across different subjects. You've got a countdown timer to lock in an answer using A, B, C, or D. Get it right, and you're rewarded with 1 extra life plus a fuel refill, dropping you right back into the action. Get it wrong or let the timer run out, and that's it. Game over. It only triggers once per session, so that one moment really counts. When your run finally ends, the results screen displays your final score and lets you know if you just set a new high score. Every qualifying score gets saved to the leaderboard, so you're always chasing your own best run or trying to beat a friend's.
That's RocketDodge Quest 2D. Survive the debris field, manage your fuel, collect coins, and when the moment comes, hope your trivia knowledge is as sharp as your reflexes. Thanks for watching.